What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check trading history on Binance. So, if you want to see or view your trading history here, this one is fairly easy. So, first things first, you want to access your Binance account. So, go open up the app and log in. Now, at the top left of your screen, you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon. Now, in here, you want to go and look for more services. Let's go and press on more services. In here, what we need to do is you want to go ahead and look for the orders option, not usually under the common functions here. Let's go and press on it. Now at the very top, as you can see, there are different tabs here. So you want to go and just press on trade history. Now under trade history, you should be able to see all the trades that you made before or your trading history. Now you can go and filter this by clicking on the filter icon I see at the top right here, and basically filter this on dates if you want to, on a specific date. So yeah, so you could also choose how the direction is going to be buy or selling. Or you could go and choose the pairing for it as well, as you can see here now. And you should be good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.